Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup routine. It's very simple, nothing too crazy or complex, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I'm going to start off by using the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer on my face. If you see me look off camera, I got a mirror over here, and then also I got a mirror, a handheld mirror somewhere right here. Ooh.
It's no hard feelings. Maybe so.
And I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty shade 370.
Pardon me while I parlay, reminisce on no old times at the Parkway. A young kid getting changed for the arcade. Headphones in while I'm listening to Kanye. Scoping out the girls in the hallway. Fast for the present, now we getting cake. I'm inside another world, trying to find me another girl, cause I feel the last one was from the underworld. Ain't no dissing, but I was missing something. Said you dealing with it, but you ain't never mentioned nothing. I'm inside, and you mean to tell me you ain't feeling nothing? Well, that's a bet, you probably ain't never gonna feel nothing. Yeah, I gave you everything, and you walked away. Late night phone conversations begging you to stay.
You don't have to call, baby,
Yeah.
no. I'ma be alright tonight.
Promise I'm gonna be good.
You don't have to call, baby, no.
Yeah.
I'ma be alright tonight.
Okay, so now I'm about to do my eyebrows, but I'm gonna do this off camera because I'm definitely not a pro. These are the results of my brows. Now I'm about to set everything with some powder, and I'm using translucent powder from Sephora. Nothing too crazy. Oh, and this highlighter is from e.l.f. because I'm cheap, and then also I don't wear makeup as much as you think. I just wear makeup for these videos, because in real life I swear I look like grandma. Y'all think I'm playing, I'm serious. I actually look like grandma in real life. But when I want to be special and I'm going out with my hubby, hey, you know, kind of look halfway decent, I guess. And then I like to put on some mascara, but I'm gonna do this off camera because I'm scared I'm gonna mess up. Mascara and my eyeliner. Yeah. Last but not least, oh, and this is Rihanna's lip gloss. And there you have it. That's my everyday look. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned.